Hi guys, welcome back. This is Kim from Loving to Shop. If you're new to my channel's focus on fashion, handbags, and a little bit of beauty. If you haven't subscribed, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button, and also please like, comment, and share. I would love your feedback. I'm just here to do a quick video on my super mini Gucci Dionysus. I've had this handbag for about a year now. I wore it over the weekend to Hudson Yard, and I just wanted to share with you what can fit inside of this handbag. If this sounds like something you're interested in, I would love for you to stick around. So let's get started. So here is my handbag. This is the super mini Gucci Dionysus. I purchased this a year ago in Aruba. I wore it this weekend. It came in handy. It matched my outfit perfectly. And I just wanted to share with you what I had in this handbag. So the first item that I always keep with me is obviously my card holder. It's able to hold my debit cards, my license, and even if I want to stick cash in the back, I'm able to put cash in the back of the card holder. So let's put this in here, number one. Number two, we always want to keep some hand sanitizer with us at all times because we need it now and forever. We will always need to carry hand sanitizer. So I always carry the mini ones like this. I do prefer the whites, but because I'm carrying such a smaller handbag, I have these and it comes in handy. I also carry BENADRYL with me. Even though it's been a heat wave in New York, I still have problems with my allergies. So I always keep BENADRYL with me at all times. So that can go in with no problem. We also need a hand cream because we're constantly washing our hands. So we always need to have something to hydrate our hands. So that can also go in. And I like this cream better when I'm wearing this handbag because it fits in without any issues. So I prefer that one. I always carry a lipstick or two with me. So I'm a MAC lady. So this is one lipstick. I should have my other lipstick sore. This is actually Touched by MAC. So that can just stick on the side. And that can stick at the top. And last but certainly not least, we need a fragrance with us. So I always carry a mini fragrance, whether I'm carrying a mini handbag or whether I'm carrying my larger handbag. And this can just stick at the top like so. Close it up. Everything is in here nice and neat. So here is my super mini Gucci Dionysus. I adore this handbag and I wear it crossbody. This is an extender. You can actually adjust the strap to wear it as a belt bag. At this time, I don't wear it as a belt bag because I'm on the curvier side, but hopefully one day I will be able to wear this as a belt bag. I love this handbag because it's a structured handbag and I prefer structured handbags. I think the Gucci Dionysus line is one of the best lines that Gucci currently have. I absolutely love the structure, the style, the classiness of the style of handbag that they currently have. And that's it. So I wanted to share this with you. So this is what can fit inside of my handbag with no problem. I still love this handbag even a year later. It still looks like new even a year later. And it's definitely worth the money even a year later. So here is my super mini Gucci Dionysus. This is Kimberly from Loving to Shop. Remember to be good to yourself, but most of all, be good to others. Bye. Bye.